Hi friends, it's me again. In the same shirt, like I told you before, because I'm not changing clothes to make another video. But it's time to do a calendar video for Thursday. So we're gonna do things a little bit different on this one than we've done in the past, because we're gonna really focus on counting by fives on this one. So a lot of things on this calendar day will be about counting by groups of five. So let's get started. All right, it's still April. April is spelled A-P-R-I-L, April. But now it's Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. April is the fourth month, so we put 4. It's the 23rd of April, and our year is 2020. So it's Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. April 23rd, 2020. Up here is today's pattern. If you notice, we're missing the stuff in the front. So we got to figure out what would be over here. So let's look at what we have. We have 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So I think it's easier just to go backwards, but that may not be what you think, but I'm going to go ahead and do it that way. So 75, 70, 70, 65, 65, 60, 55, 50. I know that the 5 before that is 45, and then I go back 5 more and it's 40, and then I go back 5 more and it's 35, and then I go back 5 more and it's 30, and I go back 5 more and it's 25. So let's count starting at the beginning to make sure we counted by fives. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. All right, boys and girls. Did we skip count by fives? We did. Good job. Okay, down here, we've got the number 90. We have a 0. We know that he's a hero. So let's see, how many sets of 10 would I need for 90? I see the word tens, I see the number 9, so it must be 9. 10, 20, make sure you're clapping, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's see if that's 9 groups of 10, sets of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now there's a 0 here. So do I have any left over? No, I don't. I don't have any left over on this side. I just have 0. And we know that when Zero the hero comes to school, he's saving the space so all the other numbers can stay in their place. Otherwise, we would just always start over. So if I wrote the numeral 90, it would be a 9 and a 0. Now I'll put a little face in here. I'll give him his little mohawk because we haven't seen him in a while, and I'll give him his cape. He's Zero the hero! Yay! Okay, boys and girls, looking right here, we have the numerals 17 and 23. I mostly am concerned about us looking for the groups of 5. So y'all help me tally and tell me how many groups of 5 you think there will be in 17 and how many you think there will be in 23. So if we counted by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, oh, definitely not 4, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, how many groups of 5, boys and girls, do you see? I see 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's do 23. Help me tally and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, boys and girls, how many groups of 5 do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 groups of 5. Okay, boys and girls, if 3 groups of 5 and 4 groups of 5 over here, which one's more? We can tell just by looking. 23 is a greater number, a bigger amount, greater number, bigger amount, bigger number, more. So the shark or the alligator wants to eat it. It always wants to chomp the bigger number because it wants to be full. Okay, boys and girls, look at this. It's the number 57. We normally add our coins together to figure out our number and kind of what it looks like. But today, I want us to really look at those groups of 5 and how many groups of 5 it will take us to get to the number 57. If we skip count by 5s, we won't ever actually get to 57 because there's not a 0 or a 5 here. But if we tally mark with 5s, it'll tell us how many nickels we would need to make 57 cents. So help me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group of 5 is equal to 1 nickel. So that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay, boys and girls, that's a lot of tally marks. But if we were making 57 cents with nickels and pennies, this groups of 5 will represent a nickel. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 nickels. We would need 11 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 nickels. I'm going to put 5s in them because a nickel is worth 5 cents. If we were at school, we would sing all of our money songs off of our CDs about nickels and dimes and pennies. Unfortunately, we're not at school. And then we would have 2 left over, 2 1s left over, which are 2 pennies. So help me count this by 5s, looking at the nickels and dimes, or nickels and pennies. There's no dimes. Nickels and pennies, and let's see if we get to 57 cents. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. Okay, so 11 nickels and 2 pennies would make 57 cents. See if you can count out 57 cents with nickels and pennies at home today. And then maybe you could trade your two nickels for a dime and see what happens then. Because 2 nickels, 5, 10 equals 1 dime. So see if you can make 57 cents using pennies and nickels and dimes, dimes and pennies. Do it all, boys and girls, because you're smart. I love you. See you later. Mwah!